Choose the type of room you would like to stay in, premium, standard, or multi-sharing, right? 3 to 6 sharing, that is. So let's choose premium for now. Fill out a name, an email address, your phone number, blood group, emergency contact, an emergency contact number as well. Your food preference, if it's veg or otherwise, and a t-shirt size, and then your club, of course. You can type and search for your club. If you have a roommate that you would like to select, you can add a roommate. Otherwise, simply click the register button. Choose UPI for a discount on the total payment. Fill out your address. You can pay or any other payment mode. Thanks.